Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. This is a Leslie 147 amplifier, as you can see, that I've just completed refurbishing. I did quite a bit of work on this amp. It was missing the brackets that go on the end here, so I added a couple of brackets. There was some rust spots there, so I covered the rust spots. Did some sanding and rust removal, and there was rust all back here and down here. This whole thing was rusty, so we sanded it down and then put some rust neutralizer on it, and of course repainted it. Put a bracket down here. There was no bracket here. Did some painting here on the surface, the chassis. And as far as refurbishing or rebuilding of the amp, you can see the work that I did here. There was no wire wound resistor here, so I had to rewire this and remove the red wires from the transformer and replace them, and then add this 8 ohm 5-watt wire wound resistor to the high voltage rectifier board. Added some new pop suppression capacitors to the motor sockets here. I like these little pop suppression caps, and they're not as bulky as the large orange drops. So you see how neat they look. I like that. Added this wire round resistor, 8 ohm 10-watt resistor tested good. It tested new, so, but the other one was bad, so I added a new one there. 0.1 microfarad caps there. Then it had the green Cornell Doublier caps in it, like this right here. That's what this amp had in it. So place the new cathode. Be careful handling this thing. All right, new cathode bypass capacitor there. Resistor here, and here. Get my finger out of the way. Okay, so we got new resistors, 1, 2, 3 resistors there, 4, another one there. Put a new 0.1 microfarad 600 volt capacitor here. Clean the potentiometer. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Clean the relay here, and it's doing what it's supposed to do. Clean all the contacts here, and this amp is ready. I've already made a sound test of it, and it sounds beautiful. So you can check out one of my most recent videos here on YouTube, and you can hear this amp being played by my Hammond A100 organ. All right, so just want to share this project with you, And another Leslie project from Vintage B3 Organ Incorporated. Leslie 147, ready for service. Till the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.